Why market your business with video? 1. We're watching more online video now. This means videos can reach a larger audience, educating and marketing your business to potential customers. 2. Video increases the chance of a front-page Google result, Forrester research. Google favors video in search rankings because it engages. 3. Gain extra visitors to your website from YouTube. It's the second most popular search engine and third most visited website. Yet, most businesses are not on YouTube, opportunity for you. 4. Facebook favors native video uploads in its newsfeeds. Better placement on newsfeeds means more video views. All this leads to more traffic and more sales, people more likely to buy from businesses that have videos. Internet retailer. After watching a video, 64% of users are more likely to buy a product online. Envision. Including video on a landing page increases conversion by 80%. Envision. So, send us information about your business and we'll create a video out of it with captioning and music for less than you think. So less, that you can afford to regularly market your business with video and grow your business today. Learn more at noticedwebsites.com or call 604-417-1020 for details.